see the nighttime shadows breaking over dreams that had no more to say. If time will pass, I'll wait for you until, and then I'll wait for you again. Walking on in for the stars, a song that means too much. So many things to know. What time it takes to go. The long night just for dreams. You said to me again, again. You said to me again. Then all I will ask of you is all you want to give. So when the twilight breaks the day, come quickly now and stay. As long as you can try, without the time to cry. Da-da-da-da-da-da. So many things to know. I'm gonna. I'm gonna get there. It feels so far. It feels so far. It feels so far away. I'm gonna get there. It feels so far. I'm gonna get there. Gonna get there. Feels so far, but I'm gonna get there. So many things to know. So many things to know.
Hello, hello world, and welcome. We are live streaming at XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Tonight we're gonna spend together an hour sharing new records, new and old records, and also good jams from the XYZ archive, XYZ Creative Center archive. And it's gonna be a special episode also because today it seems like there's so much going on. Like there's like football games, there are tennis games, and we are taking care of music. So we are the perfect soundtrack. And we are going to be live in the chat as well. So if you're tuning in via YouTube, you can feel free to interact with us using the YouTube chat over at Mode Zero Official, the Mode Zero Official channel. The one you just listened, the record we just played is the Nova Vida, Ritmo da Vida release. It's a recent record, unfortunately, and I say unfortunately, Zelda is sitting on the record now. So Zelda is our one of our cat, the XYZ cats, and she always loves to hang around when we play music. And yeah, today she found a new spot, so she is obscuring the cover of the record. But if you like the record and you would like to grab a copy, we are taking care of the distribution for the Italian European market for BDQ Records. So feel free to reach out via direct message on Instagram at ModeZeroOfficial, or using our social channels or YouTube chat to get in touch. And we are taking pre-orders, you know, to get and grab a copy of this for private customers and stores as well. So let us know, get in touch. And this was a nice little tune to get us up and running, let's say, and set the stage for this beautiful evening. I will play this tune as well, and then I'm gonna give you a little bit of an overview of where we're gonna head tonight. But enjoy Nova Vida, Ritmo da Vida, BDQ Records, a beautiful, beautiful album. We can't get tired of playing this, so enjoy. I can't get tired of playing this record. Oh my god, it's so good. I played it actually in a couple of sets, let's say in the last 2 to 3 weeks. It's an incredibly versatile album, and let me show you the cover. Zelda, if you don't mind, just move gently. There you go. Yeah, Zelda love records. So basically, this is the cover, Nova Vida, Ritmo da Vida, and it's a beautiful album There are several tracks that I love to play, and I'm sharing it because today we are running 0 to 100. This is the name of the show. We share records from mellow vibes to peak hour bangers. And usually we start with chill vibes, and this actually fits perfectly, the theme of the program. And the BDQ Records, by the way, if you are not familiar with this label, it was founded by Stephen Bunn and John DeBrett. Stephen Bunn, first DJ of the Ministry of Sound, legend. John DeBrett, super cool guy, great musician. And they founded Bunn DeBrett Quintet Records, and they are releasing an incredible series of records and 45s as well, 45 records as well. And this is something that is sitting in my bag now, and I think it's gonna be there for a while. There are a couple of tracks that I was playing also in house DJ sets, not just jazz or chill sets, but also house DJ sets, and it was kind of surprising. If you like the vibe, stay tuned on our YouTube channel, because we are going to premiere a DJ set that I recently played in the beautiful Belluno region, province, let's say. It's a province in Venice region, and is the Alps region in Venice, and it's fantastic. There's this incredible group of guys that are very active, I would say, and they organize this motel series of events, and they invited me to play, and I was very happy to support their project, and they're super active in the local scene. Stay tuned, you will enjoy the premiere, and I did play, and you will be able to enjoy this record in the opening. I actually opened with a very, very, I would say, unique record, but I'm not gonna spoil it. So you can enjoy it live, and on the BDQ Records theme, I would say there's another incredible release, and I have the cover right here, that I can't get tired of playing, and it's Zan. She reached out also via Instagram. I never met her in the real world, but she is super cool. And this is another album from BDQ Records. I'm just gonna play another track so you can dip your toes and get the feeling of what I'm talking about. I'm not gonna spoil it. I'm gonna let you enjoy this. Boogie, funky, warm, rounded, nice grooves, I would say. Still released on BDQ Records, an incredible release. We're taking pre-orders for this as well, if you're interested in Italy and Europe as well. So feel free to get in touch in the chat or via direct message on Instagram. So enjoy, Zan.
It's a faucet, pulls
Fantastic, Zan. From this album, I would say there are like a couple of favorite tracks. At least, you know, for my taste, I really, really enjoy Follow My Heart. Follow My Heart is a fantastic, fantastic track. And No Secret. No secret. Like Zan obviously has a better voice than mine, I would say. You know, when I think about singers, if you think about a guitar, a piano, it's always, well, guitar maybe not, you have to tune it, and piano as well sometimes, but the voice, you know, is one of the most difficult instruments to play. And Zan plays it like at best. I would say this, No Secret, Follow My Heart, and then the entire album is such a pleasant ride. I've been playing this record not just here at, you know, in this studio room here at XYZ, but also in other rooms when we are cooking and doing brainstorming sessions with the team. It's such a pleasant record, and I'm not just saying because you know, we are distributing this. It is a truly exceptional gem. You know, one of the most funky and boogie oriented records we had that landed at XYZ. So we definitely encourage you to give it a listen. We have also a private preview listening session. If you want to enjoy this and Nova Vida from BDQ Records, reach out to us. We will share a private link with you. Yeah, and also having a look at the chat, reading your questions. One of the most frequent questions since we moved to this new room at XYZ was, what is this room about? So this is a new studio room that we launched at XYZ, and it is fantastic because this is a floating room. This is a room within a room. Okay, and the reason why we built it this way is because when we played music out loud, it basically resonates and vibrates within a framework, and it doesn't transmit the whole vibration to the whole building. And so we can feel free to pop up the volume and enjoy the records and the workshop session without affecting, you know, the rest of the building and the other rooms where we have other activities running. And so we moved to this room a couple of months ago. So these are the first shows we are sharing and live streaming from this room. When before, if you are enjoying this live from YouTube, you browse your work on our channel, you will find other rooms and different settings, other studios we have here at XYZ. But this is a brand new, and this is fantastic. It's been like a lot of fun playing here, writing music and running activities. So yeah, it's a new chapter. It's a new chapter. Now let me grab my headphones again, and because here at XYZ, you know, we are all about supporting the local community, the local underground community, and we have a beautiful track that landed at XYZ last week. This is a track produced by Daniele De Marchi. Daniele is a producer from Oderzo. It's a city not far from Conegliano, where our headquarters is based. And Daniele De Marchi is a, I would say, long-time aficionado, not only DJ, but also producer that's been active over the, well, I would say last 20 years in Venice region. And over the last 3 to 4 months has been, I don't know, shifted gears. He's releasing tracks again. And this track that I'm sharing today, it hasn't been released yet. The title of the track is Say It, and I liked it. I liked it. And I thought, what better settings and scenarios to share it now at XYZ. So I'm gonna drop it for you, and we are going to enjoy together. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Would you play it? Would you not? Would you listen to it? Let us know in the chat, or feel free to reach out via direct message over on Instagram or Facebook at Mozilla Official. This is Daniele De Marchi. Say it. Wow. Said Daniele De Marchi. I can never get tired of listening to Daniele's productions. He is incredibly creative, and what I like about him is that he has like such strong roots in the funky boogie, house, disco, soulful, productions of the last 30 to 40 years. Like, I never get tired. Like, sometimes he comes and he say, oh man, I found this sample and I made this track, and I'm always blown away. Like, he's real talent. And this is why I am happy to share his productions. So if you are interested in finding out more about Daniele, we have plenty of videos on our YouTube channel of some full sets by Daniele De Marchi, and also some back-to-back sets that we did with some projects. For example, A Cena with the DJ, and in Italian, we call it A Cena col DJ, dinner with the DJ. Where basically, this is a funny story. If you've never seen this, let me set the frame. Let me give you the background. So this is a beautiful project, part of the vinyl, the Origin vinyl, and this is a joint venture between Daniele and Thomas Giscon, the Wolf. Thomas, incredibly nice guy and legendary promoter in the Northeast Italy. And they came up with the idea of having a DJ set with two DJs sitting at a table in the middle of a restaurant, like selected restaurants, selected venues, and instead of having like a plate and eating, they have a turntable. And they basically alternate one record each, having a back-to-back, sitting at the table in the middle of the restaurant. And so if you're curious about this project, about Thomas' work and Daniele as well, have a look at our YouTube channel. We have an entire playlist dedicated to this project, and there's me playing back-to-back with Daniele and other DJs as well. And it's once again shows you the creativity, the ideas that are boiling, literally boiling in Venice region. I'm always happy to share this because, we need to show some and spot some light on top of this artists and these incredibly creative projects. Now we have a new record coming in, as you are enjoying from this camera. Here we have like a new inbound order that came in at XYZ. We have plenty of records. Actually, we don't have enough time to share them all during our live shows. But this is a pretty cool one, I would say, and I'm gonna tell you everything about it. Let me read something from the notes that came in when we ordered it. So the title of this record is Deep Cuts. It's a Deep Cuts EP, and the artist name is Sapu. S-A-P-U. Let me read what it's all about, and I'm gonna share also the cover because it's quite minimal, but it has something. It looks like it's hand printed, the story of the record, here it is. So following the resounding success of Rhythm by Nature, first released by Nail, the imprint's second outing, Deep Cuts, builds upon the previous momentum and introduces label owner Sapu for his solo EP. Deep Cuts features 3 groove-drenched original works and a foot-stomping remix from Berlin-based groove master and sound wizard Trip Mustats. So the reason why I'm sharing this record is because I played it, and it is freaking awesome. I really enjoyed it. I like all the versions, and if you want, actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna share the link in the bio, actually in the chat, so you can go and find out more about this release, because I think it's an incredibly versatile record for DJs, but also for music lovers that like to add something unique to their collection. So with no further ado, let me play this and let you enjoy it. Nice, 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 nice ride. Fantastic. What a groovy record. I think this is gonna sit in my record bag for quite a while. On that note, well, last weekend I was in beautiful Belluno province at this Santa Croce lake, Lago di Santa Croce, and once again for this amazing party organized by the motel guys. Tomorrow there's going to be a wonderful festival which is called Aria Pura. And I'm sharing this because there's going to be a beautiful lineup. Mayel, Massimo Santi, Bert, back to back with Tybe, Lorenzo Daros, one of the motel guys, Giorgio Di Maio, Scotch, another Scotch. I recently discovered a nice array of vinyl records, a good underground DJ that I would definitely encourage you to check out, and Barbara. So tomorrow they're gonna start at 2 p.m. all the way until 1 a.m. I'm going to be there. I share this to invite you to give it a go. If you are around in Venice region, it's not far from Venice airport. You can grab the train, head over to Belluno, get off, grab a cab, and you're gonna be there in a blink of an eye. And if you are out and about and you want to spend a lovely afternoon and evening, definitely Aria Pura Festival is going to be amazing. So that said, let me share another awesome record. I'm gonna share the cover. This is an inbound record, Demure, The Music in Space. I haven't played this yet, but I actually love it. And I'm playing it for the first time here. I've been listening to this record over and over, back and forth, until I ordered it and I managed to get a copy. And I think it's one of probably the strongest records that I'm gonna add to my selection from this beautiful EP with you. So 0 to 100, from mellow vibes to peak hour bangers. We're reaching the end of the show, so this is going to be the last mellow kind of upbeat record that we're going to play tonight, and then I'm gonna shift gears onto the last part of the show. Enjoy.
time you're meeting me. You see what I'm saying? Don't think you met me before. Okay, and as I grow, you're gonna meet me a little bit more. You're gonna be exposed to the real me a little bit more. I had to tell you, I had to reintroduce myself to everybody I know. I want to introduce you to me. I'm just getting to know me. And you know what? Anything that's not growing is dead. So we better be changing.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. The music in space. What a nice ride. What a nice ride. What a mellow record, and including DJ Snake remix. Yeah, I encourage you to dig this and have a look at it and immerse yourself in this beautiful sonic project, I would say. This brings us to the, well, let's say almost at the end. We're almost at the end of our 0 to 100 show. And since we are a show that goes from mellow vibes to peak hour bangers, we have another record that I would like to share with you, which is Polar Inertia Environment Control LP. This is a double, and I've been after this record for quite a while. I tried to order it, it went sold out. I ordered it again, I didn't manage to get a copy. Finally this week, landed at XYZ, and is from Northern Electronics, one of my favorite labels. And I'm just gonna play a track from it, but check the links that are generated automatically on YouTube to deep dive and listen to the whole production. It's a double record, and I think it's worth to give it a listen. There's a beautiful vocal track which you can use as an intro and outro, and overall I would say it makes a perfect record also for like an everyday listen at home, or like for music lovers that just like to add a special seed, a special ingredient to their collection. Once again, I'm not going to spoil it, I'm going to let it play. Northern Electronic, Polar Inertia, and I think this is going to take you somewhere else. Enjoy. polar inertia environment control on Northern Electronic. What an incredible record. What an incredible record. Dig, go, check it, enjoy it. A fantastic release on Northern Electronics. So I hope to see you tomorrow if you are around Aria Pura Festival in beautiful Belluno province. I'm gonna switch over to Italian for a second to share this also with the locals. Domani ci vediamo all'Aria Pura Festival a Lago di Santa Croce nella bellissima provincia di Belluno. Sarà una giornata fantastica, c'è una line-up incredibile e da quello che mi dicono ci sarà una bellissima food area di fianco all'area dedicata all'esperienza musicale, quindi da non mancare. Si comincia alle 2, si finisce all'1, sarà un'occasione incredibile per immergervi in uno scenario musicale fantastico e in un paesaggio bellissimo. Io ci sarò, spero di trovarvi lì, ci vediamo domani. So anyway, thank you for tuning in and enjoying another 0 to 100 show here on the Mode Zero official YouTube channel. We are live streaming from beautiful Conegliano at the XYZ Creative Center. We dedicate our time, our resources, our experience to help fostering and supporting the underground culture in beautiful Venice region. We are thankful for you to tune in and support us by subscribing to the channel if you like the show and the rest of the episodes that you find on our channel. And stay tuned for the next and upcoming episode. There's going to be a lot of music coming your way, and feel free to interact on our social channels over on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok, always at Mode Zero Official. Thank you for tuning in. I'm just gonna let this record play because it's beautiful, and we're gonna fade out, and we are going to see you next time, next month, 0 to 100. Enjoy.